Morning everybody, welcome to Road Restore. I'm John. Okay, so on this video I'm going to be working on a Mondeo MK4 1800 diesel turbo 2008. Basically, when we're driving we are getting diesel fumes coming in through the heater, which is pretty sickening and it can give you a bad headache. So we are going to be trying to source the problem in this video. So without further ado, let's get on with it. Right then, so all I did was lifted up the bonnet, removed the top of the engine cover, and immediately I could see a damp patch on the engine, so I knew I had located the problem straight away. And it is to do with the injectors. Okay, so you can see there are a number of pipes linked together. In this case, 4, one for each cylinder. And these pipes on the top are called the leak-off pipes. And I think that's where my problem is, on the first leak-off pipe. Right then, so I found and removed the little clip what holds the leak-off pipe into the injector. Unfortunately, my camera wasn't recording when I pulled it out, so we've missed that bit, but I will show you how I put it back in. So now we should be able to pull out the leak-off pipe nozzle from out of the injector. And it has got like a little green O-ring on it. And yes, as you can see, it has got a split on it and it's damaged. So this is the obvious culprit and will need replacing. And luckily for me, I have a box full of these little round O-rings. So let's go and see if we've got one the same size. Okay, so I'm just going to take the little green O-ring off with this little special spike tool that I have. Then take it back to my shed and see if I can duplicate it with one in my multiple kit. Okay, so it seems like we're not having much luck here, as my kit does not have the same size. My O-rings in my kit are a lot fatter than this one, and the O-ring that I need is a lot thinner. So we're going to have to look elsewhere. So let's go and ask my genie, see if he can help us out. Okay, my genie reminded me that I have some old carburetors in the old tin shed. So let's take the top off, and if I remember rightly, there is a small little O-ring in the top near the diaphragm. So let's have a look. Okay, so it looks the same thickness, but it is a bit smaller. So will it fit? Let's go and find out. Okay, so it fits nicely on the pipe. Let's see if we can push it back into the injector. Right then, so it is a bit hard to push back in, so I'm going to use something for a bit of leverage. And there she blows. So all we need to do now is try to get the clip back in. The clip did come out from the back, but it is almost impossible to get round the back to put the clip back in. So I'm going to try for now just to put it in at the front. So there we go, that is the clip nicely in place. Let's go and start the engine and see if we have any more leaks. So yes, there we go, it is fixed, but I'm calling it a temporary fix, as I have ordered the original O-rings for the, the Ford Mondeo, and believe you me, they are not cheap, £10.99 for 4 little tiny O-rings. So that's it, hope you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one.